a similar VPN that I've reviewed earlier. All of them are pretty much the same. Once you've opened the application, it will pretty much show you connection. It will ask for connection right away. You just tap on connection request and the VPN will be connected in load. However, VPN only gives you a limited connection time. As you can see, it's already counting down, and you'd have to pretty much watch ad to get a 5-minute connection time, which I think is very bad to me. As you can see here, you'd have to watch an ad to get 5 minutes connection time. So that doesn't make any sense. And yeah, this is pretty much a VPN application which I wouldn't recommend anyone using. So I'm just letting you guys know if you may come across this VPN application here. But with all that said, see you in the next tutorial.